A lot of people have fear of getting out of their comfort zone. I want to give you 3 strategies you can utilize to actually accomplish things. Because if you stay in your comfort zone, what happens is you build a self-imposed prison that actually limits what you can accomplish. This fear, it serves as like when you put a plant in a pot. It only grows so high when it's in that pot. And if you want the plant to grow bigger, you got to get a bigger pot. It has to expand so the roots can grow. You're the same way. And if you stay in that comfort zone, you'll never get out of it. So here's 3 things you can do to get out of that. One of the first things you got to do, set bigger goals. You may be thinking, God damn, Brandon, I'm scared to do the shit I'm thinking about now. You want me to set bigger goals? Here's the thing. You're probably used to setting small goals. You're probably used to setting goals that you can accomplish. You're just scared. You think you can do it, but you're scared. I want you to go even past that. I want you to set goals and try to accomplish things that you know you're not now currently capable of accomplishing. Check this out. This circle represents what you know you can accomplish, and you're here. If your goals are only within this circle, then you'll never go out of them. There's no good reason to go out of them. Even if you accomplish them, what happens is you didn't grow, you didn't stretch. So you want to set goals that are out here, outside of what you can accomplish. Right now, you might be scared to go after something you know you could do, but you're just scared. I want you to go past that, make it something you know you can't do. That's going to force you to grow, because now you have to learn new things. You have to get better. You have to improve to accomplish that goal. Even if you don't know how to do it, well, all right, man, now you got to read some books. Now you got to study. Now you got to figure it out. And that's going to force you to learn more. And what's going to happen is when you're forced to learn all these new things, you're going to improve your skills. The development of your skill set is going to improve your what? Your confidence. Because confidence comes from competence. For example, if I wanted to do my own plumbing, I never plumbed before. I never plumbed anything. I laid some pipe, but I ain't never plumbed. So if I go try to do my own plumbing and I'm just in there all confident, yeah, I know I can do it. Never plumbed in my life. That would be delusional. It wouldn't even make sense. But if a plumber comes and do it, he's been plumbing he's been plumbing for years. He went to plumbing school. His daddy was a plumber or some shit. He knew he was gonna plumb since he was a kid. And he goes in there, what's this, a pipe? Oh yeah, you got to fix your router and your tutor, and he knocks it out. It doesn't take courage for him to do it because he's good at it. He just knows what to do. He's been doing his life. He's got the skills to train it. And that's what you're going to need, because if your skill set was high enough, if you develop the skills and the knowledge to the point where it's not scary, that's what the plumber did. That's what you got to do. Develop your skill set to the point where you're not scared. First time I did public speaking, it was for my boy Owen from RSD Tyler, right? They was doing what was it called, the pervert convention? No, RSD summit. And he asked me to speak, and I had never did public speaking before. So what I do, man, I didn't just go over there and no, I got it. I believe in myself. No, I didn't do that. What I did was I fucking wrote a real speech, and I practiced that shit for fucking hours a day for like weeks until I could deliver the shit out of it. And by that time I had practiced so much that it came from competence. I practiced for weeks, hours a day, until it wasn't scary no more because I was so good. So again, set big goals, develop skills, and then here's the most important part: go all out. Most people have never really went all out, like 100% into something. Like they've never done it once. The average person has never done it once. And it saddens me, because the average person I see walking around the street, they have so much untapped potential that they've never utilized. Think about it. When's the last time you went all out? I mean 100%, put your all into something. Most of y'all might not have ever done it, right? You kind of just skated by or just tried shit like a fucking try baby. You just tried shit, maybe it worked, then it didn't, then you went and did something else. What if you fucking went all out? I'm telling you, if you put your all into something, I mean go all out, devote your whole fucking soul to it, you can't lose. I've never seen somebody lose when they go all out. And a part of that is, even if you fail, to get up and keep going. The fucking try babies, they try something and they quit. They might try 2-3 times and they quit. But the winners will fail until they win. Everybody else is trying until they fail. You say, I'm going to fail until I win. Then you just know it's only a matter of time until you win. Then you know you're not going to be scared, because what's going to happen? You're going to fail, then you're just going to get back up and do it again. How many times are you going to do that? Until you win. For how long? Until you win. You're going to win or you're going to die. Whatever happens first. And I've never seen someone approach a goal with that attitude and lose. Just knowing you're going to approach your goals with that attitude will take away a lot of fear. Because think about, what's the worst that happens if you fail? You're going to do it again. You're going to keep failing. You know, I saw a TikTok from this chick. She wanted to be Miss USA, Miss America, or one of them shits. You know, first she had to become Miss Washington, D.C. She lost 6 times in a row. And she said, you know, she was just going to keep doing it until she won. And then she won Miss DC the 7th time, and then went and became Miss USA or Miss America, one of them two. But just think about it. How many of you have tried something 6 times or more after you fail? How many of you guys would have given up after the first time? How many of you guys would have given up after the 3rd time? 4th time, 5th time, 6th time? What if you said, I'm just keep doing it until? I think things have changed for you, man. I know things have changed for you. And when you approach it with that attitude, there's really no limit to what you can accomplish, man. I'm telling you, within reason. Obviously, you're not gonna fly or like walk through walls. Things that other humans have done, you could do them, man. You just gotta really say, you know what, I'm gonna do this or die.